Okay, I'm going to start the video of the homestead renovations. This used to be the milk house. It's now going to be the milk house studio. Then we have my 100-year-old plus old lady. That's going to be a big project. You can see this wall on the south is coming out. So we're put cables in, which I'll show you next, and then we're going to jack it up. Where's my finger here? We're going to jack it up here and down this wall on the inside and replace this south wall. The cement blocks on the bottom. We already redid the roof. Roof has been redone, cupola straightened, silos there. Okay, hang on. Okay, so now we're inside the hayloft, and the first cable is up from that south corner that I just showed you down to the bottom of the north, and we're just gradually taking it a couple. So how far these lines are from this stud, and then the cable is here, that's how far it's been pulled back. So probably about a half an inch in a day or so. Well, yeah, a day or so. Then we'll have the next step, which is going to be to replace this sill. These will gradually be replaced and then reset back on the sill. I don't know if I can move this board so you can see down. It's a ridiculous amount of work. But well, we don't have any snow yet this winter in Minnesota. So we're just going to work on this. See if we can bring the old girl back. Thanks for watching.